fuego en mi alma, arde en mi pecho en la mañana, y yo solamente pienso en ti. Esta noche quiero que seas mía, no te niegues, me tienes aquí.
Jordan, what do you think?
I'm stressed out.
She's pretty. No, it's been really funny watching them get on the horses. It's been a nice time. The whole crowd's here. Oh. Oh. So we just got back from whatever.
Mazatlán.
Mazatlán. Yeah, so that's where we just got back from. As you can see, we're still in port. It was great. We had the best day ever. We did a nice little city tour, and we went to like this high point where you could see all the city, saw the ship, got like a decent photo there, and then we went to like this cathedral. That was pretty fire, and took some hyperlapses, so hope you all enjoyed those. And now, or excuse me, after that we went to, sorry, the sun got to me, the Stone Island beach, which is like literally right off the port here. And it was fun. We had a great time. That was actually that was probably the best part of the trip, where we got to do like banana boat, horse riding. Jordan did that. Best thing, hands down, that we did all day was the banana boat, and we got a sweet little GoPro shot of that. So it was awesome. We had a great day. Highly recommend, if you're coming to Mazatlán, that you check out the city tour. But they did a great job. Service was great. Food was good too on top of that. So yeah, that's it. We're gonna get all fancied up and head to Cagney's Steakhouse. What? This shit's been crazy. We love it. It's been great. Definitely a different vibe, and we're enjoying it. We're just taking it by each day. Wow. What a beauty. Day 6, Cabo. We made it. We're here. Y'all check this out. Very, very nice. Whoopsies. Super excited to be here. Water looks like it's the clearest one of all the weeks. There is some rock formations over there where you can get on the beach. So we're gonna try to weasel our way over there and then fly the drone, because there's a long strip just outside over here that goes like here all the way around and then all the way to the other side of the ship. So very excited about this port and the quality. It's definitely the nicest, the cleanest that we've been to this week. So yeah, let's go here and see what it has to offer. We'll see you in a second. All right, so we're off the ship. We came out and made a left, and we made it down to the street, and we're making another left. So there's a small beach right over here.
That we saw off the tender boat.
Yeah, that we saw off the tender boat, and the water looks pretty clear, and there was nobody there. So fingers crossed that it's still relatively vacant, and yeah, we got towels just to lay down. We're not bougie like that, so we'll see what we can do. All right, we're gonna try. So, major update. We loved it. Found the beach. Yeah, couldn't tell. That. Look at all that. Look at all those chickens.
All those chickens.
But seriously, there's a crap ton of birds out here. There's a lot of birds out here. And
Look at the fish right there. Oh,
we got the fish. That's not. This is like a local beach for the locals. And it's nice because you don't. What's up?
Oh no! Oh no!
He's like, this tastes a little bit fishy. And there's no vendors, which is really nice. There's these pretty rocks right back here. And then the cruise ship's like right in front of us. So yeah, highly recommend it. So you get off the port, you go left, and you just keep on going left on the main street. You'll walk around to this little public area.
More than likely you'll find some tourists walking around. So.
Yeah, there's a couple cruise ship guests here with us. You see like their Norwegian towels. But overall, this is the smoothest, I think, time we've had getting to a beach, just in general. Yeah, and we didn't have to taxi. We literally just walked the whole way. So that was like nice, saving $20. So yeah, we're gonna relax. Y'all enjoy. We'll enjoy. And we'll talk to y'all later. Well, that's good. That's great.
You're welcome.
All right, splash the lens. Woohoo! All right, we're going. Run, baby, run. Take it.
It's recording.
Is it?
Yeah, it's recording.
I turned it off.
You were actually recording when you were Why are you doing the video?
Yeah, great. It was a great week. Jordan, final thoughts here, I guess, on the ship. The bartending service has been awesome. The stateroom attendant has been pretty thorough, as we only really requested him to come in one time a day. But when he did come in, he was very attentive. There was some like restaurant service that we were a little confused about, and we just had to kind of wait a little bit longer, especially at the fancy specialty dining. So I guess that's like our only complaint, but the actual food itself was amazing. Complimentary dining was great, and Jordan and I actually ate at the buffet for dinner twice. 2 nights, 2 or 3 nights, I think it was.
The buffet 3 times in 1 day.
Yeah. Overall, you cannot beat the Norwegian buffet. We loved it. Quality of the room was great, as you know already. And we essentially just spent our last day watching movies here in the room. went to the buffet for breakfast, the local for lunch, and then back up to the buffet for our last dinner, and it was the bee's knees. This is the Horn family signing off for the Norwegian Bliss 2019 April 21st cruise.